So commodities are always tied to the dollar. At least there is a correlation for gold, silver, copper, precious metals, base metals. And in theory, they all benefit from a weaker dollar, right? Today you have DXY around 101. Much is baked in there for downside. People are still pretty bearish dollar due to the whole rate cut theme. And of course, you have then gold at all-time highs, right? Same goes with silver. It then split apart a little bit for for copper, sorry, because copper is, due to his role as an industry commodity, there's also more demand and supply baked in. It's also tied to the economy, how we are going over there. What is up with China? China is a huge consumer of copper. But for gold, I see new highs over there. If we are seeing, and again, I have to point out this is the most important thing for tomorrow, the guidance from the FOMC, the dot plot, how the participants of the FOMC are tilted over there, more to the downside, which means faster rate cuts, or more to the upside, that means higher for longer. And if we have scenario number one, new all-time high for gold, silver as well. Copper should catch up a little bit. There was this massive run up in May, June, I guess. They will all kind of benefit. And if you are watching soft commodities like coffee, sugar, wheat, corn, and then put a dollar chart against it, it's even more visible, even more clear that there is a negative correlation. They are all benefiting since days, weeks from a weaker dollar. And that's the first point behind it. And as I mentioned, in copper, supply and demand, that's the second point for those kind of commodities. Also in oil, we had a massive rebound the days now because everyone is short oil. That's pretty normal. Oil then can rally in a week 5 or 6% due to positioning because people are max short over there. Then oil gets into a long and people are squeezed out. So don't get misled by that way. It's still short tilted, crude oil and Brent. But it's kind of the same story with the equities, lower borrowing costs for some types of commodities, still bullish. Question is always how much is baked in, right? Because also commodity markets are doing stuff 3 or 6 months before they try to price this in. It's always arguing about the future. But don't see a big bear case over here as well. Same as for equities. That's the point.